Good morning all. This is the second video of class 5 science lesson number 12. The name of the chapter is the moon. So in the last video you read about the atmospheric conditions of the moon. You read about the moon and now we will be reading about the phases of the moon. So what is meant by the phases of the moon? So many of you might have noticed in the night the shape of the moon is changing. Right? The shape sometimes you see a full round moon, sometimes you do not see a moon at all, sometimes it is just a banana shape, sometimes it is just half moon, sometimes it is more than half. So all these are called as the phases of the moon. Why? Because it is receiving, the one side of the moon facing the earth receives varying amount of sunlight. Varying means different. That is, it is not receiving the same amount of sunlight all the time. That is why we see a particular part of the moon and we call them as the phases of the moon. So in this video we will be telling how the moon or why the moon shows only some part at some point of time. Okay. Now first thing is this, you have a look at this. This is the earth. This is suppose the earth. This is the sun. Fine. This I am taking as a moon. Earth is revolving around the sun. While the earth is moving, this is also moving like this. Okay. This is also moving like this. And satellite. You remember satellite is anything that revolves around the planet. So moon is the natural satellite of the earth. This is moving and this is also moving. Fine. This is moving and the moon is also moving. So at a place when moon is at this point, see this is the sunlight. At a place when moon is at this point, the people on the earth, they are not able to see the reflected light of the moon. They are not able to see the reflected light of the moon. So what they will see? They will not see any sunlight, moonlight, and that will be, this will be the place, this will be the condition. That is, the moon will not be there, or it is also called as the no moon or a new moon, or in Hindi we call it Amavasya. That is, there is no moon. The moon is at this particular point. Then it starts increasing and it starts reflecting a little bit of sunlight. Okay, it starts reflecting a little bit of sunlight. It moves around and then the shape of the moon is the crescent moon, like this, at this particular place. This is the crescent moon. See at this picture, crescent moon is, the moon is shape of a banana. Moon is the shape of a banana. That is the, this is from, like this part, this will be crescent shape. The people on the earth will have this particular shape visible of the moon. Then it comes around after some time when it is coming here. When it is coming here, it reflects half of the sunlight. That is called as the half moon. Here, see the picture? It reflects half of the sunlight. Then after some time, when it comes here, after moving, when it comes here, it is reflecting more than half. That is called as the gibbous moon. Or you can say that banana shape of moon is visible. Rest is visible. So it is having 3/4 part visible. That is called as the gibbous moon. So at a place when it is here, right? At a place when it is here, it reflects whole of the sunlight, like in the previous video I have shown you in the mirror. At a place when it is, reflects whole of the sunlight and moon is clearly visible to the earth. So that is called as the full moon, or that is also called as the Purnima here. This is also called as the Purnima or the full moon. Fine. Then it goes on to this place and goes on decreasing. From here, the visible part started increasing. Now it is called Purnima. Then the visible part of the moon starts decreasing. Okay. Again, the crescent moon, gibbous moon, half moon, all these phases will come till the moon will come at this particular place, that is the no moon or the new moon or Amavasya. So from here to here it takes near about 28 days or 29 days to move from Purnima to the next Purnima, or near about 1 month. So one more thing is, when the illuminated part, means whichever is visible, whichever part is visible, when that is increasing, we call it waxing phase. When we can see, when the part of the moon which we can see that is increasing, that is called as the waxing phase. When it is decreasing, that is called as the waning phase. Okay. So these are the phases of the moon.